Hey guys, Mama Dean here. So today I want to show you guys how to make suckers off of a wood burning cook stove. So I've always made suckers when we lived at the house. We had the electric stove, but I'm like, you know what, this might be a pretty cool challenge to try and do suckers off of our wood burning cook stove. So I've got my measuring cups, I've got my pan, I've got my candy thermometer and everything, I've got my molds, so let's see if we can not burn these. So here you have your candy thermometer right here, okay? So it has to be at 300 degrees, the hard crack stage. So what I'm going to do is bring this over to right here. I'm going to have it like right in the middle of like the center of on the stove. So then what that does is this will get the heat evenly for the pan. So while this really does not take that long at all, I'm hoping that everything will just kind of turn out and that. So on the recipe it says to put in your flavoring now, but what that will do is if you add it now, it's just going to evaporate and you'll have no flavoring. What I do is that when this gets done is I add it last and the coloring. So while this is going, we're going to get our sucker molds going. Okay, so kind of a funny thing with these is I was wanting to get Christmas tree, but we got choo-choo trains. Yay! Toot toot! Oh, one really quick tip that I just thought of just now is that with your candy thermometers is the second that you take them out of the pan or whatever, like if you're frying up, you know, like your stuff for candy or donuts or whatever, do not instantly rinse it under cold water because it will just shatter just instantly. Wait for it to cool off and then wash it off. Shaylin's going to dump it into the pan, so Shaylin, just do a couple of drops in there, please.
3 or 4?
Just do about 3, okay?
1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're going to take this off the heat and pour it into the molds. Okay, so candy mix is going into the sucker molds. Just like that. Now this is really hot. And yes, I have burned myself quite a few occasions.
I burned myself before.
Mm-hmm.
That's way overflowing.
Mm-hmm. So if I have anything that's like extra from this, I always go back through and just top off like the other molds and that. It was kind of low, so I'm just kind of topping that one off. This one,
But the
a little
rest
extra right there. And it does not matter if it spills over. It's not going to hurt anything. Okay, so we've got the sucker mixture in the molds. So we're going to let that sit for about maybe 10-15 minutes just to make sure that they're good and set and they're cooled down. I don't want the kids to burn their tongue or anything. So the real question will be, do they pass the kid test? We will see. Is it bad when your son has to break out the knife to get the suckers off of the sucker molds?
I want them perfect.
I want them perfect. Okay, suckers are done.
Uh-huh.
I got mine.
What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Yes.
Kid approved.
Chuggy, 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 chuggy.
Kid tested and mom approved. Thanks for watching, guys.